This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: account, class list, and a topic. Begin by clicking Create Kit and give it a clear name so students recognize it. Once done, choose a class or create one now, then decide whether to import questions or build from scratch. You do this because organization makes reuse easy. Naming and class selection saves time later. Make sure to set a default time per question and a basic scoring mode before moving to question entry. Now focus on question quality and settings. Start importing via CSV if you have many, or type questions manually to control phrasing, add correct answers and distractors. Then attach images or audio when visuals help, and tag questions by unit or difficulty so you can filter later. Next, assign point values and timers for each question type, and choose shuffle or fixed order because pacing affects engagement. Finally, preview a few questions to ensure formatting and media behave as expected. Launch your kit in live or assign mode depending on interaction goals. As you start, monitor student progress from the dashboard and adjust pacing, team rules, or in-game rewards to keep momentum. If something goes wrong, first ask students to reload their browsers and reconnect. If media fails, replace links or re-upload files because broken assets are a frequent cause. Make sure to export results or save the kit for reuse, and reflect on which questions need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.